Bengal tiger, a female. She's one of the world's biggest cats, and remaining out of sight is not easy when you are as large as she is. Her orange and black coat is crucial to her success. To have any chance of catching a meal, she has to get to within a few meters of her prey. She keeps to the cover of the trees and slowly makes her approach. She may appear conspicuous to our eyes, but not so to these chital deer. Chital have only 2 types of color receptors in their eyes compared to our 3, which means that they are effectively blind to red and orange. This is how we see the world. And this is how the deer do. The tiger's orange coat to them is a muted shade of green, so it's nearly impossible for the deer to register. She creeps closer. The odds appear stacked in the tiger's favor. But the deer aren't entirely defenseless. They have help from an unusual ally, langur monkeys. They're known as the eyes of the forest, and their color vision is excellent. If the langurs can easily spot her, why then is the tiger orange at all? Why isn't she green? She will have to find a new target. Down by the water, she finds one. Sambar deer. They have the same limited eyesight as the chital, but ears like satellite dishes. The deer seem to sense danger. They still can't see her. Despite her effective camouflage, most hunts end like this. Less than 10% of her attacks are successful. But without her orange fur, her chances would be even lower. It is her colors that are key to her survival.